All right, you guys. Today we're talking about writing linear functions, specifically given a point and a slope. A little bit of review first. A linear equation has two important points. It's got the slope and the y-intercept. And again, review. Our equation is y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope, and then b, that's our y-intercept. So important things to remember. So now our problem that we're going to have to deal with is how can we write, or what is the equation for the line that passes through the point 3, 2 with a slope of 1/3? We go back to our equation, y equals mx plus b, and we think about what can we plug in. So we know we write those blanks. Y equals blank times x plus blank. My slope is 1/3, it's my m. So I'm going to put in 1/3 here, but now I don't know my y-intercept. So I need to find my y-intercept. That's what we're going to be doing. We're going to find two different ways to get that. So option one is to use the graph. I know my point is 3, 2, so I'm going to graph it. 1, 2, 3, up 2. So there's my point. I have a slope of 1/3. So I can always use my slope to go up 1 over 1, 2, 3. It takes me off the graph. Not very useful. So I can reverse that. I can go down 1 and to the left 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Down 1, left 1, 2, 3. There we go. So I can connect my points. Sorry, my line's not very lovely. And I've got my y-intercept right here. My y-intercept is b equals 1. So I can put that together and I get my equation y equals 1/3. That's my slope that I was given, times x plus my y-intercept of 1. This was option 1 using a graph. We're going to take a look at option 2 and see how that's different. So same question, point 3, 2 with a slope of 1/3. Option 2, we're actually using that linear equation. So remember, it's y equals blank times x plus blank. So I'm going to plug in what I know. And I know that my slope is 1/3. Now, remember this was an x value. My x value in my point was 3. So I just put in that x value for 3, and I have my slope of 1/3. Y, here's my y value from the point, and I plugged it in. So basically I'm just plugging in that x and the y from the point that I was given, and now I'm going to solve this equation because now my b is my unknown. So I'm going to simplify. I have to do 1/3 times 3. So that gives me 1. So now I have 2 equals 1 plus b. I want to get b by itself. I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides, and 1 equals b. That's the same answer I got using the graph. So I know that my equation is y equals 1/3 times x plus 1. So there's my equation. I used the linear equation, or I could use the graph. So I'm going to have you guys try to write the linear function for a line with the following point and slope. We use function and equation kind of interchangeably here because all linear equations are functions. So first one, we have the point -4, 6 with a slope of -2. Second one, we have a slope of point -2, 0 with a slope of 5, 2. So you can solve for this function using either a graph or using the linear equation. You might want to try it both ways. Pause here and take a minute and solve those, and then we'll check answers. So here are the answers. For number 1, you should have found the equation was y equals -2x minus 2. So our y-intercept is -2. And for number 2, that equation is y equals 5/2 x plus 5, y-intercept of 5. So again, if you still have questions, make sure you can watch the video again, check out the resources on my website, or see me or Mr. Ibanez before or after school. Thank you so much.